Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without any subscribers. If you're starting from scratch, you're not going to have to worry about posting constant content every single day like I do, which is great. Only if you have one thing and you know how to do one thing: paid advertising with Google. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. I'm going to show you how to get subscribers instantly, views instantly, and make sales instantly inside your business by using the Google AdWords program and instantaneously ranking at the top of the search engines and also on the watch page. So stay tuned, and if you're excited for this video, give me a like, subscribe, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So go ahead and like this video if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and dive into the content. And we're going to be talking about Google AdWords, how to make money on YouTube without subscribers, not by doing SEO, not by trying to game the system or game the algorithm. We're going to show you how to create YouTube videos where you can pay to be ranked at the top. Now, Google is actually incentivizing people to get started with their AdWords platform, their paid platform. So they're giving you $100 for free to use for advertising. So they understand, as a business owner, why are they giving this away for free in the first place? Well, they believe that if you spend $100 and you get results, you're going to spend more money with them, which means more money for you, more money for Google, and hopefully happy customers as well. So everybody wins. So let's dive into the technicalities of Google AdWords, how it works. So you have two ways you can actually advertise. There's really three ways, but in two separate categories. You've got in-display ads, and then you've got in-stream ads. Let's talk about in-display ads. First, you have search placements when it comes to in-display ads. So for example, if we go to YouTube and type in green juice recipe for weight loss, you can see there's this paid ad at the top. This person actually paid to rank at the top. What's really cool about this too as well is you're not paying per impression. You're actually only paying if somebody watches at least 30 seconds or more. So typically when you have a viewer that watches for at least 30 seconds, it means that they're interested and you have a qualified viewer. So having said that, you don't have to pay unless somebody watches at least 30 seconds of your video after they click on it, right? So if I go ahead and click on this ad right here, I'm actually not going to, or he's not going to get charged until I watch at least 30 seconds of this video. So he actually didn't get charged. So that's way number one. Check this out. Here's another one that just popped up when I click the back button, how to lose weight. So again, here's another ad. Now, the thing with this is you'll notice that this ad is congruent with what the consumer typed in. Now, when it comes to in-display ads, typically somebody that clicks on an in-display ad will technically watch a video. They'll be on YouTube for a little while. So you can make your video longer than, say, like an in-stream ad, which we're going to talk about in just a second. So when it comes to in-display ads, make them as long as they need to be to ensure that you get your message across, okay? So that's one in-display ad that's in the search results. There's also video placement ads that are actually on an actual video, okay? And if I scroll down here, this is actually an in-display placement ad. Again, this is called the Google suggested video section or YouTube suggested video section. And you can see that there's other videos that are like the videos that I've watched previously. Also, my good old buddy Frank Kern here, he's actually retargeting me. So that's why you're seeing something that's not relevant to the rest of the videos here, because I've watched something on Facebook that Frank Kern released, and he's following me around on the internet on YouTube. So we're going to talk about retargeting and how huge that is to the formula I'm about to lay out to you. So again, you've got two in-display ads. You've got one in the search, which is right here, and then you got one in the suggested video section, which is right here. And then last but not least, you have in-stream ads. This catches the user's attention. It kind of diverts the user's attention from the video they're about to watch. So this would be called an in-stream video placement ad, okay? It's an in-stream ad and it's on top of the video. So when it comes to these types of videos, you don't want them to be that long, because the intention of the user is to watch this 3-day detox juice cleanse video. And so they're sort of interrupted by you. So you got to make sure that in the first 5 seconds you catch attention. You want to make sure that you tell the people to stay that are actually interested in your offer, and tell the people that aren't to get off. So then, you know, they're not watching it any longer than 30 seconds, the people that aren't interested, because then you'd be paying more than you need to. So in the first 5 seconds, you want to catch attention. You also want to tell them what you're offering. If they're not interested, to click off. If they are interested, keep watching the video. And then you'll get a very high quality potential buyer if you do that. And then you just go through your pitch and then lead people to another page that would give away more value. There's only so much value you can give on an in-stream ad. I have seen people do in-stream ads that are like 5-10 minutes. But it's very hard to catch a user's attention when their number one goal was to watch another video and then you just all of a sudden popped up. Where like an in-display ad right here, if they're typing in green juice recipe for weight loss and your video is about green juice recipe for weight loss, you're giving them what they want, what they're searching for, versus trying to catch their attention randomly on this video about something else, about another topic. So you can see that this guy's video is somewhat relevant to this, somewhat parallel, but it doesn't mention anything about a green juice recipe for weight loss. It just talks about how to lose weight. So the more congruent that your ad is with what the consumer typed in, the better, right? So that's how it works. Same with this video right here. You're not going to be charged until the consumer watches at least 30 seconds. Okay, so now that we've covered in-display ads and in-stream ads, let's actually talk about the strategy. In one of my previous videos, I talked about intent-based branding. I'm going to link that up right here at the top in the little exclamation point, or in the description below. You can check either. But I talked about intent-based branding. And typically, in a nutshell, what it is giving so much value up front and overcome skepticism up front by demonstrating to people that you can help them by actually helping them in your video. So what you want to do is you want to solve some sort of problem they have, help them have a breakthrough. And if you do that and actually help them, whether they make more money, whether they get more leads in their business, you know, I'm an online marketing consultant. So in my case, you know, that would be the case. So I helped them do that and then showed them another ad where it was like, an offer ad to that same exact audience that just watched my videos over here, they would more than likely buy from me, right? Because they've already seen me before. So intent-based branding isn't just branding, but it's the intention to also sell something, right? So let me break it down real quickly. So let's say you have new viewers that go to, for example, an in-display ad, okay? For different keyword terms. So in my case, I might have one video about how to get more leads, and I might have another one about how to get more sales. I might have another one about how to get more conversions, right? That would be like my 3 videos to start off with. They would watch those videos, and then they would go in this data pool that Google would actually save. Google would save the people that went and watched my videos. And then what I can do is I can retarget those same people in this data pool with an offer ad. So now, again, I've demonstrated that I can help them. Then I retarget them by saying, hey, hope you got some value from the video that you watched previously. If you did, I'd love to help you put it all together. Whether I'm teaching like conversions or I'm teaching leads, like I can show them the formula, right, in my new viewers videos. And then what I can do is sort of help them in the actual offer by saying, hey, you just watched a video about leads, generating leads. How would you like my team to set up a complete done-for-you campaign so you can start generating leads? That's if you don't want to do it by yourself based off of the video that you watched previously, right? So more than likely, they would take you up on that offer, especially if they watched the whole entire video. And that's why this strategy works insanely well. Most people, they're going for the straight sell. Let's see if this guy's actually doing it. So I'm going to click on this.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm J Mice from Fat Loss.
This is about losing weight. He actually does online marketing, I think, as well. So let's see. It's in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. It looks like he sends people, let's see if he sends people straight to an offer. Yes, he does. This is actually a CPA offer. And I showed this in one of my previous videos. This is crazy because this is just impromptu. So he's sending people directly to an offer. I don't know how well this is converting, this offer for him, because he's not doing any intent-based branding. It's sort of just like, hey, here's 3 minutes of value or a pitch. Go buy my shit, right? That's kind of what he's doing. And he might get some conversions here and there. But if you really want to get high quality customers, you want to pre-frame them. You want to indoctrinate them. Pre-framing is basically they have this preconceived notion of who you are before they really even see you. So like if you got a capture page, maybe it's got an image of you, right? And there's some text, the subconscious will go to work and create this idea about you. They will judge you before they even have really seen you, like on video, for example. That's the pre-frame. And then after they fill out in the opt-in form, then you actually give them the value, whether it's an ebook or a video series. That's the indoctrination process where you get them to know, like, and trust you. Okay? It works extremely well. Something like this, it might work here and there, but you're not going to get long-term raving fans. You know, I get so many good comments from people on my YouTube channel because they're like, you're actually giving practical stuff. You're actually helping me. You're not talking in circles, right? So a lot of these ads, what they're doing is, yeah, they might make a few sales here and there, but their intention is to just sell people right off the bat. And we know that the relationship building process, especially nowadays, this might work for maybe a few more months, next year if we're lucky, if it does even work at all. But where the world's going is people are sick and tired of buying this product from this person, not getting any help or support, and then being kind of thrown in a million different directions without really knowing what the heck to do, whether it's in the weight loss niche or the make money online niche, affiliate marketing, online marketing, whatever it is, right? So we want to demonstrate that we can help people by actually helping them. I can't say that enough. I know I'm beating a dead horse, but it is something you must be doing if you're building a long-term business. So with that being said, let me show you how this is kind of broken up in the AdWords back office, right? This is a whole entire different video. Maybe I'll go over this, in another time. This video would be way too long if I showed you everything. But what I've done is I have my different campaigns here, and you want to separate your campaigns by placements, right? Video placements, and then search placements, and then retargeting, just like we have here. So we have search placements, video placements, and then we have retargeting right here, right? So I haven't done any in-stream ads, but what I would probably do is obviously have another category that's in-stream ads, right? So for example, here's one of my campaigns right here for video placements. And then we have what's called ad groups. And these are like groups of videos that are alike for placements, and then keywords that are alike for search, right? So in this case, we're in the video placements. So what you can do is you can target specific videos that you want to show next to. That's what this is right here. Okay, and then you have subcategories. So I have subcategories of the make money online niche, which is ClickBank channel placements. So anything that I talk about ClickBank goes into this ad group. Affiliate marketing goes into this ad group. How to make money online goes into this ad group, right? So that would just be placements, videos that I place on videos. And then of course I have, let's go back here. I have keyword placements, which is what this is. These would be keyword placements. When somebody types in a keyword, you pop up. And I have those keyword placements right here, which is AKA search placements. And then again, I have my ad groups for ClickBank keywords, not videos. Remember, this is search placements for keywords. And then how to make money online, keywords that are relevant to each other, like how to make money from home online, how to make money online, how to make $100 a day, how to make money on the internet. They're all related keywords. They would go in this ad group, and I'd create a video that targets those specific videos that's relevant, right? And then I got affiliate marketing right here. And then within each of these ad groups, as I said, I've got my ads right here. And then I've got my video targeting. And I've got my keywords right here, right? So everything's relevant from the ad to the video, right, to the specific placement. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video, this quick tutorial. Maybe it wasn't that fast. I know I tend to go long on all my videos, but I want to drive this home. You guys know that. So if you got value from this video, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to do all this stuff in complete detail, check out my top recommended resources below. Truly, if you want to build an affiliate marketing business, this is especially for you. And I plan on coming out with a product on YouTube ads. I know I've been getting a lot of questions like, Josh, you're going to, teach us YouTube ads? Well, here you go. And I'll be coming out with a product that covers this in a lot more detail too as well. So keep a lookout for that. And I appreciate you guys. I'm going to stop the video here. You guys have a great day, great night, great morning, depending on where you're watching this video from. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.